came all the way from Birmingham, Alabama, and we have been playing all the other mics we can get to this week. And I'm just real happy to be here. Thank you, Debbie, for hosting this.
Thank you, Loretta.
So fun, I know, right? In the spirit of Loretta, this is a song I wrote called Goodbye Kids. It's about the bittersweet emotions you have when your children finally grow up and move out of the house. I know just what to do now that the babies are gone. I can take a spin class of bioidentical hormones. Some women get depressed when the last chick leaves the nest. Me and Papa ain't got no problems, 'cause we raised up the best. But goodbye, kids. We'll see you Christmas time. Goodbye, kids. On your birthday we'll send you a check. Goodbye, kids. It's time to toe the line. Me and Papa's gonna take that cruise, 'cause we just said what the heck. I've been a nurse and a chauffeur, a chef and a gopher. I wore 47 hats. When I finally got to sit down, I had a young'un on my lap. Well, the youngest one just drove away with her mattress tied to the car. After I have a real good cry, me and Papa's gonna party hard. Goodbye, kids. Goodbye, kids. You're the best things that we ever did. Somebody pass the tissue. My God, I'm gonna miss you. All I got to say is goodbye, kids. Goodbye, kids. We'll see you Christmas time. Goodbye, kids. On your birthday we'll send you a check. Goodbye, kids. It's time to toe the line. Come on, Papa, don't feel awful. We can swing from the chandelier. Out of here. Don't come back till you got me a grandbaby. Just kidding. Call me. Come on, Papa. Let's go in the house. She don't want to play with us no more anyway. Oh, don't cry. It ain't like she's moving to China. She's just going across town.
Susan Vaughn.
Thank you, y'all. Just too kind. I'll take y'all home, baby.
And our last song for the night.